What just happened to my home? No. How can you help us? When the unexpected occurs and you need help with insurance and restoring your home, Gill Construction Solutions can help. The home structure was compromised when it was hit unexpectedly in the middle of the evening. Shrubs were gone. The integrity of the front wall structure was compromised. Look at that crack and buckling. The exterior structure of the front of the home, oh wow, how compromised. It made the home unsafe. They couldn't even close the door to secure their home. Gill's crew secured the front entry to the home. So where did we begin? The city said the home was unsafe due to the structural integrity of the home. So we worked with them to help the homeowner not have to worry about anything. The debris was cleared away, and the crew begins framing the new exterior wall. The framed wall has sheathing installed along with waterproof wrap applied so the new windows and the new door could be installed. What had to be done on the interior? Well, the ceiling structure in the living room, dining, and kitchen had to be replaced for the home to be sound again. So here are some pictures. You can see here there's buckling there in the ceiling in that picture. We come down and see where the crew has already replaced all of that. It's getting ready to be textured and painted. And here we go with a picture of the exterior wall on the inside of the home, completely restored, painted and textured to match the rest of the home. New carpet was also installed. Here's a picture of the finished dining area, the completed living room. Oh, that looks nice. What happened with the exterior? How did we restore it? Once that interior front wall was rebuilt and passed inspection, then our bricklayers were able to begin the exterior brickwork. Matching bricks were ordered prior to the beginning of the project. We ordered plenty to make sure there was enough. Here we have a picture of the new brick exterior completed, and as you can see, everything is matching across the front of the home. Since there was extra brick ordered to make sure we had enough, this cube was returned. And here we have a picture of the exterior. It's almost like new again. It looks like new. However, it was important to the homeowner as well as the insurance company that the front of the home would be complete with new landscaping since it had all been torn up. So here is new landscaping installed. Here's a final picture from the front of the home. It looks great, doesn't it? Clean and restored. I'm Annie Good. Thank you for joining Gill Construction Solutions today.